Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Electronics Virtual Laboratory. In today's tutorial, we will learn the practical BJT common emitter characteristics. So go to the list of experiments and click on BJT common emitter characteristics and then click on simulation and go to BJT output characteristics. So today we will simulate bipolar junction transistor in common emitter configuration and we will draw the output characteristics. So the output characteristics is basically the graph between output current and output voltage. So here output current is IC and output voltage is VCE. So we have to draw a graph between VCE and IC by keeping the value of input current, that is IB, as a constant. So for a fixed value of IB, we will draw graph between IC and VCE. Then we will change the value of IB. Then we can draw again a graph between IC and VCE. Then we can again change the value of IB, and so that by repeating this process we can find out a relationship of a graph between IC and VCE for different values of base current, that is IB. So this is the diagram of common emitter bipolar junction transistor. Emitters are connected in series to measure the current IB and IC. Voltmeter are connected in parallel to measure the voltage VBE and VCE. Two bias voltages VBB and VCC and two rheostats to control the value of VBE and VCE. This is our experimental table. We have to fix the value of base current, that is in microampere. By the sliding tabs RH1 and RH2, we can change the value of VBE and VCE. On the left hand side there is a list of instructions which we have to follow for the simulation of this practical. So first we have to set the value of RH1 and RH2 to 1 ohm. Then we will fix the value of base current, that is given here is 15 microampere, simply by adjusting the rheostat RH1. Then by varying the or adjusting the rheostat RH2, we will change the value of VCE and we will note down the value of collector current, that is IC, and then we will plot a graph between VCE and IC, that is our output characteristic curve. We can repeat this process by fixing the value of IB to a new value, that is 20 microampere. So let's start. First set the value of RH1 to 1 ohm, RH2 to 1 ohm, then set the value of base current to 15 microampere simply by changing the value of RH1. So this is the value of IB which we have to fix up to 15 microampere. Now change the value of VCE by changing the value of RH2 and add this value to our experimental table. Change RH2 to some new value. To plot a graph between IC and VCE, there is a requirement of at least 8 or 9 values. So we will add different 8 or 9 values of collector current and collector to emitter voltage in our experimental table by keeping the base current as a constant, and here the base current is equal to 15 microampere. So this is our experimental table, VCE and IC, that is in milliampere. Now click on plot. So this is the graph between collector current and collector to emitter voltage for a fixed value of IB, that is 15 microampere. Now we can take a different value of IB and we can repeat the entire process of taking the values of IC and VCE for some fixed value of base current, and then we will plot a graph between these two parameters, and then we can analyze the effect of IB, the different values of IB, on the output characteristics of a common emitter bipolar junction transistor. So this is all about the simulation of BJT in common emitter configuration, and we are talking about the output characteristic curve. Thank you.